Hi guys! Today we are going to make cauliflower rice and Bicol Express. If you are in keto diet, you usually do the CauliRice as a replacement of your rice intake. Start off by grinding your cauliflower. If you don't have a grinder or a mixer, you can actually grate the cauliflower. There are different ways on how to prepare it. I prefer sauteing it because it gives you that nutty umami flavor. Prepare your garlic and onions for sauteing. Heat your pan and add some olive oil. You can also use other vegetable oil, but for me I want a bit healthier, so I'm using olive oil. Saute your garlic, your onions, then your grated or your grinded cauliflower. Other version usually they squeeze the cauliflower and then saute it, but for me I'm doing it straight away. After about 8 to 10 minutes, your cauliflower is ready. For this big batch of cauliflower rice, I usually put it on a container and then just get how much I needed. The next morning, I usually put it with some veggies to make it like a fried rice. It gives you the same experience like having a fried rice. Although the texture might be different, but if you're on diet, like what I've said, it's better and good. Now let's prepare our Bicol Express. Slice some onions, garlic, pork tiempo, and green chilies. Also, some cocoa powder. I'm teaching a friend how to cook this, so it's her who's stirring and doing the cooking. So it's the basic, heat your oil and add your onion. I usually add my onion first because like I've said, I don't want to burn my garlic. When the onion is translucent, it's time to add your garlic. And start sauteing your pork. Make sure to give it a good stir and cook it a bit more. Just like this one. Cover your pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes. We will be using a powdered coconut milk that you can buy in the grocery stores. Just add warm water and have it stir. You can also buy a coconut milk in a can or a fresh coconut and squeeze it. Depends on your preference. Add your coconut milk. And let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. I really want my pork to be tender. Here's a kitchen tip. I usually wash the dishes while waiting for my food to be cooked. You kinda multitask to make things easier. It's boiling for about 10 minutes and then it's time to add your shrimp paste. In the Philippines, we call it alamang. Give it a nice stir. In the Philippines, we always say if you can cook, you're ready to get married. Like, pwede ka na mag-asawa. So if you have girlfriends out there who can't cook, it's about time for you to ask them, invite them to your place, and learn how to cook. Let it simmer for a few more minutes. I just actually thought of adding some sweet basil on my Bicol Express. So since I have one on my balcony, I got some few leaf and add to my Bicol Express. Sweet basil is my go-to herb. It's perfect for my pasta, soup dishes. Now it's time to put some chilies. Stir and cover for another 5 minutes. Time to taste. We don't put salt anymore because of the alamang or the shrimp paste. We want a bit kick because it's not too spicy, so we add some chili flakes and added our sweet basil.
Fresh basil.
There you have it, cauliflower rice and Bicol Express. Enjoy cooking! Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like and subscribe and comment down below. Ciao!